In my search for rocks, I go walking through the woods. There's a fence line right here. And along this fence line is a pile of rocks. I don't know if you can see them very well. Right here, just a pile of rocks. So I've already gotten a few of them out and took them down to the driveway where I'm working on the driveway. But I'm going to see if I can get all these rocks here, put them over in my wagon and take them all the way down to the driveway. And I'm going to be going out and about out here on the other side of this fence. I've been following the fence line, finding different rocks where the where the trees push them up out of the ground. As they slowly grow, they push the rocks up, and you know, just kind of find them and bring them over and put them in a pile and take them. There goes a car way down there on the road. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Collecting rocks. Some of these trees look like they might need to be turned into, I don't know, log cabin. Maybe. Got some nice trees in here though. Alright, well, let me get busy. I gotta dig out some rocks, take them to the driveway.